Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,000 level. We are currently ranked at 197 with a market cap of about $235 million. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $24 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, we are down 9% right here on YFI, and in the last 24 hours, we are up 3.9% right here for YFI. So without further ado, let us push to the chart. We're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD dollars. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So YFI was quite an easy one for us. Right here, we saw this massive consolidation right here. The moment we saw our trending EMA flipped bullish, we became massively bullish right here on YFI, right? And as you can see, since then, from the bottom of where we became bullish, we're up about 180% right here for YFI. But as you can see, when we came to this confirmation EMA, we are you would remember that we were getting very cautious. We said, guys, right, the confirmation EMA, we have pushed we have pushed up very early, and to be very careful. We could see some sort of little retracement, and we saw the problem with the whales right here, where we saw this sort of massive dump right here on YFI. Since then, we basically have been consolidating, and you would remember where we made the warning signals right here that we were seeing our trending EMA flipped bearish, right? This was right here at the $8,000 level. Even though we were holding the bull market EMA from our last video, we were saying we should expect one more push to the downside, which we have seen, even though we haven't got into our target. But we should still expect one last push into the $6,300 level, probably some sort of massive consolidation from the $6,300 into the $7,000 level. We should expect some sort of consolidation for the next few weeks before we see any sort of massive bounce. And I'll tell you why we could expect after this pump one last drop into the $6,300 level, which will be our accumulation region before we see that sort of massive push to the upside, right? Basically, if you just look at the volume profile, as you can see on the volume profile, we are still seeing massive selling price action still coming, right? And we said, so unless we see that the bears are getting exhausted, then we can't be bullish right here on YFI, right? So we are still seeing massive selling price action happening, so we should expect one last drop right here for YFI into that $6,300 level, a few consolidation right into February before we see this sort of massive push to the upside. So we are expecting one more drop into the $6,300 level, some sort of consolidation before the massive push to the upside, right? That could keep the bears finish selling all their YFI right here, and then we could see even more accumulation by the bulls before we see that sort of massive bounce right there for YFI, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.